hear the m sound at the end of the words. Worm. Worms are very tiny. But you know what? They can transform into beautiful moths. Drum. Drum. Have you ever played a drum? We can make music with a drum. Arm. Arm. Our arms are very strong. We can pull, push, and throw a ball using our arms. Same. These two brothers are twins. They are exactly the same. We know how to say the m sound. Now we can learn how to write the letter M. Practice with me. Start from top, hit the bottom, go up again, and make 2 camel humps. Good job. Now we will write the letter on paper with a pencil. Start from top, hit the bottom, go up again, and make 2 camel humps. Now check if you did it right. Do you remember the sound of the letter M? That's right. Look at these pictures. Which picture begins with the sound M? Moth, chair, jump. Let's hear it one more time. Moth, chair, jump. Say the word that begins with the sound M. That's right. Moth. Now let's look at some more pictures. Rock, cow, money. Say the word that begins with M. Awesome! You are a star student.
Like, share and subscribe.